for a case with us, and you've now picked up a new case.
Oh, starting a new case while already out on bond? That's like stacking fire on gasoline. Judges see this as a huge red flag, because bond is basically a promise that you'll stay out of trouble.
Your bond now gets revoked. He goes with you? No, sir. And we'll appoint him a lawyer today.
Relax your hands.
Thank you so much for coming. Are you Mr. Pearson's mom? Okay. So is he working? Tell me about him.
Yes, he's working on living.
Did you catch that? Mom literally repossessed her own son's sports car because he wasn't responsible enough. That's parenting on expert mode. What do you think? Tough love or too harsh?
He's in big trouble with me because I had him to do a voluntary recall on the sports car because he's not mature enough for it. He still goes.
They took the sports car.
I had him to do a voluntary recall.
Wow.
There's consequences when you don't abide.
You're my hero. Really? That's great. Mr. Pearson. She's great. You got to listen.
Finished high school. I made sure I enrolled him in the College of Maine. I go to College of Maine. I just graduated last May. This past May in cybersecurity. I'm an IT.
Great.
So he knows the rules.
Okay. I'll give you guys a lawyer, whatever you need, you know.
I was going to talk to you about what you can do for his first offense from this and get it over.
I can't. So let's do this. I'll provide you the lawyer. The lawyer can tell you how to move forward with dealing with the DAs, but I can't get involved at this point just because I can get in trouble for doing that. So let's do this. I need you guys. Let me see if I have an application on file. If you don't mind, I need you to fill out an application for me. Once you're done, I'll give you guys a lawyer and then you guys can work on the situation. Do you see whether he has a license to drive or no?
He has one. He has one.
It looks
Okay.
like he does have one, Judge.
Great. As long as you have insurance as well, then you can continue to drive. Just be careful how you drive.
He's in my old hoopty now.
Okay, great. Okay, guys, if you want to go with Stephen, he'll take care of you guys and we'll have you sign a receipt.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming, man. How are you, man?
Good, thank you. Belated birthday, I understand. What'd you turn, 41?
That's cute. It's like I have hair.
I know you're real busy, so I'm not gonna take much of your time. We have two cases, Judge. On Montoya Carrasco, first name Franklin, I just got appointed.
Are these in custody or on bond?
Notice how the judge immediately grants more time. In court, this is called a continuance, basically a delay to prepare the case. It's super common, but sometimes it drags cases on for months or even years.
Okay, so Carrasco,
To make it easy for you, he's got an immigration hold.
Okay, sorry, I was making out. Which one are we starting
Montoya.
with? Montoya. Okay.
That's the easier one.
Yes.
wait, we're talking about, okay, Montoya.
Cause number,
I got it. So it looks like she's got an ice hold, huh?
yes, Your Honor.
So, whatever you want.
I need some time.
Of course.
I understand they told me 10.
However much time you need.
Okay, all righty.
Who's two?
This is,
A little bit over a month.
No. You said you have a second person,
Yeah,
right?
second one, okay.
Who's the second one? I don't care however much time.
Okay. The other one is a unusual case. It's the first case I've ever had in my life. Last name is Orellana Carranza.
We already reset that one.
Is that the one?
yeah.
What's so unusual?
One of them is for, that one for bail hearing, Judge. I don't know if you got the paperwork.
Wait, harassing a dog. This is wild. Legally, you can't exactly cross-examine Fido on the stand, but threatening an animal can elevate charges under cruelty or harassment laws. Would you count this as a crime, or just an empty threat?
No, not yet, but, so looks like this gentleman also has an ice hold as well. So whatever you want, however much time you need, it's whatever you want. Just,
And I got 30 days for him, but
Okay, sure.
I needed a bail, lower the bail. The bail is $2,501. He has no criminal record. The harassment between you and I, he allegedly threatened the so-called supposedly owner of a dog, that he was going to kill the dog. First case I've had that. And I can understand the argument that they're trying to make that the dog is
so you tell me it's a
person's property.
harassment of a dog?
Yes, now unless the dog's going to come in and testify.
Judge, it's a little, Judge, it's a
The
little.
harassment
Unless you
is
wanna do
based
PC
on
again.
him
Never a dull
threatening to
moment in
kill the
PJ.
Yeah, I
dog.
mean,
So it's based on the felony of cruelty, animal cruelty.
but it's not animal cruelty in the sense because
He also,
it's not his dog.
Did
He didn't
alleged
mistreat the
animal?
dog.
he also threatened to kill the complainant's grandmother and her boss. Like, there's more to it, Judge, than
Well,
just the dog.
If they did that, I'm certain that the prosecutor's office would file assault charges.
Well,
or
no, harassment.
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 Harassment is because of the dog.
Well, that may be the initial, like, let's say it's a dog that barking out of freaking control, like my neighbor's dog. It drives me up the freaking wall, right? But I don't go over there and I do
You
anything
didn't say
about
it,
it.
so you don't want to admit it, right here. But
Is that what happened here?
that's what they said.
Incessant barking?
We already added an eval for it. We're already gonna look at this case. We're gonna look into it.
What I want is that they dismiss it. First of all,
Oh, I
they
see.
the ownership of the dog. They have to, by law, have to register the dog, they have to chip them. And I follow those rules, Judge. I never violate the law. I don't want to be coming in front of you and say, "Please, Judge, give me the bird, please. I won't do it again."
So, look,
okay.
however much time you want, if you want to set it a week or 2 weeks, there's an ice hold, so there's really nothing that we
Yeah,
can.
I'm waiting the bill here.
Here's the drama. Bond is being debated. Lowering it to just $100 could mean freedom. But remember, if someone already skipped court once, judges get very cautious. This is where legal leniency and public safety collide.
Okay. Whatever you want, Tony, you got it. Just, the only thing I'm going to ask is if they are able to bond out, like they get an immigration bond,
Yeah, I'll let
please
you-
let them know they got to come here so that we can do conditions so that they don't.
So are you saying you're willing to give him a PR bond?
Well, I don't know. Because if we do that now, they may get shipped off to immigration and that's going to put like a 3-month halt on everything. It's up to you,
For the caring
but be
judge.
careful what you wish for, as they say. You
Judge,
know what?
and I have not
So-
asked for bail certain individuals, but I think maybe it's appropriate for him to at very least consider the PR bond or maybe $100 secure bond.
You tell me. But don't take your time. You don't need to do it now. Just let me know.
Well, let's do $100. If push comes to shove, if he really wants to.
Well, here's the thing. So on this gentleman, on Oriana, he took off on us. So
No,
we
it
did
wasn't
give him,
Ariana. It was the other guy, Montoya. But he's been to immigration. He's already
Well,
been to immigration.
technically, yeah, he did take off for about
both
a
of them
month and a
take
half.
off on us. And we
That's
got back
because
in
that's
custody.
because he had a pending case. He's been in custody.
There's an immigration. That's
And these are-
Yeah. Okay.
So
Hit it, hit it,
it's
whatever.
Ariana, the older one, but we've got so many discovered to go. So I'll tell
Oh, okay.
Victoria. On the Oriana, if you would consider at least $100. He doesn't have a criminal record.
We're just
They
gonna,
charge him with what I think, I have 2 dogs, by the way.
Judge,
The next door dog keeps on barking.
It looks like we gave him a GOB and he took off. Right? He took off and then he got
The
rearrested.
prosecutor will tell you that he was in another county, Fairfield County.
we're,
Let me
we're
do
looking,
this.
we're looking
Mine
at
is getting
that.
long.
I don't see
Yeah.
any other charges or,
And he's been in immigration. They lifted.
I know.
the
why was
hold.
he in immigration?
He wants $100 bond.
So, I mean, Judge, the state would be against reducing the bond just because
If he,
it does seem like.
if he was given a GOB and he took off and we had to rearrest him and get him back, I'm not giving him a $100 bond.
They transferred him directly.
Show me and then I'll give you the $100 bond.
Would you allow us to just, I would like to look into this case, just his criminal history a little bit, because I don't know about an out-of-county, so.
I don't know. Do the research.
Either way, Judge, he does seem like he's a community risk.
Okay, you're talking about which one? Oriana?
Oh, whoever you want.
Okay, Oriana's the one I want to bail.
Done.
The other guy, I waived
Got
for a
it.
lot of reasons.
Okay.
But Oriana, I gotta figure out whether he was transferred from immigration to here, because they lifted.
Look with Trey. Trey can tell you.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
May I be excused or?
Tony, always a pleasure.
He
You
showed
never
us,
volunteer, you tell me not to volunteer.
he showed us pictures of his dogs. They're very cute.
As long as they don't
But I got the
incessantly bark.
dog next door, two of them.
Quick note. When a defendant pleads guilty, they're waiving a ton of rights, like the right to trial or appeal. It's a permanent mark on their record. The judge spells this out so later they can't claim they didn't understand the consequences.
At 3 o'clock in the morning, they start barking.
Yes.
Who do we have here?
This is Ms. Holman, and Ms.
Okay.
Strong is representing also Ms. Diaz. They both for pleas.
Right. Good morning, Ms. Holman.
How are you doing, Your Honor?
And you are charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the amount. You guys have worked out an agreement where on your case, they're offering you 8 days in jail with credit for the 8 days that you've done. Good morning, Mr. Medrano. Is he you speak English?
Yes, sir. Well, my last name is Diaz.
This is Diaz here.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Both of you guys are giving up a lot of rights by entering into the agreement that you guys have now. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you guys are not citizens, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You can never take it off. Is this what you want to do, Ms. Holman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Like I said, you're charged with the theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The thing that you need to understand, ma'am, is that this is an enhanceable offense, meaning that if you continue to pick these up, at some point they will charge you with a felony and you're looking at days instead of years.
Yes, Your Honor.
8 days in jail, credit for the 8 days that you've done. Is this what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you plead to the offense of theft? Guilty?
I plead guilty, Your Honor.
I will find you guilty, sentence you to 8 days in jail, give you credit for the 8. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Diaz, you are charged with criminal trespass. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 27 days in jail, credit for the 9 days that you've done. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I'll send you to the agreement. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you. If either are enhanced, it needs to be abandoned, please.
And Judge, you want CC for them?
Please. Always on jail costs.
Gotcha.
Always. Okay, counsel, come on up.
This is an off docket. Tell me when you're ready for the case number.
Tell me.
254-3247, Daniel Arevalo. This is a case of an ounce of prevention, hopefully is better than a pound of cure. I got on the case after he'd already appeared in court and got his bond conditions. He has random urinalysis. He travels a lot.
What does he do for work?
September, 7 days, 18 days in October, 21 days in November, what I would propose.
What does he do for work?
Construction, and would you like for him to,
Sure.
come on up?
So this is what we normally do when they get called upon. They have to go to a Quest Diagnostics, wherever they are. Quest is all over the country, and they need a test at a Quest because it's a reputable lab.
I mean, we're talking Montana and Wyoming at times. What I was going to suggest is, could he call pretrial on Monday and give them his schedule and take a portable breath device?
I'm okay with that. Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
That way they can work.
I'm happy to do it.
Schedule.
Yep.
And it's a DWI, so we're making sure he doesn't.
Done.
Okay.
Sounds good with me.
I'll let the pretrial know.
Yeah,
So portable, no more mandatories, correct?
correct. Waive the fee. Are you ready?
Yes.
It's 254-3247. Okay, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, guys.
Like I
Take care.
say, ounce of prevention.
Mr. Sims, come on.
Judge, I have Kelly Savage, who I got appointed to today. The state has confirmed that there is a new address for the complainant, and so we have an amended MOAB for you,
Okay.
just for your signature, Judge. And then we're gonna get her to sign it as well. You want her to come up, Judge?
No,
Okay.
no, you're
Just have
good.
her sign it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Of course. Thanks, Mr. Sims. Runty,
Judge, how are you?
did everything work out with the case from last week?
He's here because we have a motion to amend bond conditions, and then I guess he needs to sign the.
I waived the signature.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I told him I waived it so that he wouldn't have to come down here.
Well, we're here.
Okay, just whatever you need, Don.
Mind signing the motion since we are.
I worked hard on getting that together.
Come on, man.
So I just need to have him wait for pretrial, and then he can go over the 49. Thank you, Judge. Appreciate
Absolutely,
it.
for sure.